Kid Friendly TV.
Hey guys, it's Pete from Kid Friendly TV, and I'm here with my son Blake. Say hey.
Hey.
And we're gonna do this alphabet puzzle. Do you see that, Blake? What is that? You want to open this up? Yeah, are you excited? You love the alphabet, don't you? You want to open it? You want to open it? What's in there? What's in there? What's in there? Oh, goodness. Daddy's having a hard time getting it open. There we go. What letter is that, Blake?
U.
U for?
Umbrella.
U for umbrella. Do you want to put this puzzle together?
A.
You want to find A? Alright, let's see if we can find A. We have all these puzzle pieces here. Alright, let's see if we can find A. Do you see A? We're looking for A. That's the first letter in the alphabet. Oh, well there's the train. Let's put the train down first, because this is an alphabet train. So let's put the alphabet piece down. Oh, Blake, what is this? Right! A is for alligator. And let's see if we can put the puzzle together.
B.
Yeah, B's next. Can you put the puzzle piece there? Look. We're making an alphabet train. You don't want it together? Oh, you want to do it. Okay. Yeah, good job, Blake. Alright, what comes next?
B.
B, okay. Oh, Daddy found it quick that time. What's this one?
B. E for bear.
Yeah, B is for bear. Can you put that on our alphabet train? Good job, Blake. You did it. What comes next?
C.
C, that's right. Oh, look. What is?
Cat.
C is for cat. That's right. Let's show the camera. C is for cat. Can you put it on your train? Good job, Blake. What comes next? What's the next letter?
D.
D. That's right. What's this one, Blake?
D. E for dog.
D is for dog. That's right. Can you put the dog beside the cat on the train? Good job, Blake. Let's show everybody our alphabet puzzle so far. Alright, Blake, what comes next?
E.
E's the next letter. Let's see if we can find E. What is this, Blake?
E for elephant.
Right. E is for elephant. Can you put that on your train? Okay, we'll start another row. That's a good idea. What's the next letter?
F.
F. Let's find. Oh, there we go. There's the F.
F. E for
Flamingo. F is for flamingo. Can you put that on your train? Pick it up a little bit. Yeah, there you go, Blake. Yeah, good job, Blake. Good job.
G.
G, that's right. Let's find G. G.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. G is for gorilla. G is for gorilla. Roar. Can you put that on your train? What comes next?
H.
H, that's right. H.
Horse.
Horse, that's right. H is for horse. A horse goes, neigh.
Neigh.
Yeah. What's the next letter?
I.
I.
Igloo.
Igloo. I is for igloo. You put that on your puzzle? And look, there's a polar bear on that igloo. Good job, Blake. What's next?
J.
J. Daddy's got to find the J. Here we go. J. That's a tough one. J is for juggler. J is for juggler. See, he's juggling the balls. J is for juggler. What's the next letter?
K.
K. K.
K.
Yeah, K is for kangaroo. You want to start a new row on your train? What's the next letter?
L.
L. That's one of your favorites.
E. L. E for lion.
Lion, roar. Can you roar like a lion? L is for lion, roar. What's the next letter?
M.
M. M is for
Monkey.
monkey. M is for monkey. There you go, Blake. Pick it up a little. Good job, Blake. What's the next letter?
N.
N. That's right. Let's find the N. Whoa, here's the N. N.
Ma.
N is for what?
Ma.
Nest. N is for nest. And look, how many eggs are in the nest, Blake? 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs in the nest. Good job. What's the next letter?
O.
O. O is for
Ostrich.
ostrich. That's right, Blake. O is for ostrich. Can you put that on our train? Good job, Blake. What's the next letter?
P.
P. P.
Panda.
Panda. P is for panda. What's the next letter?
Q.
Q. Q is for
Queen.
queen. That's right. Q is for queen. Do you want to start another row? Let's start another row right here. Let's start another row right here. What's the next letter, Blake?
R.
R. Look what Daddy has. R. R is for, you know that one. R is for rhinoceros.
Down.
Rhinoceros. R is for rhino. R is for rhino. You put that on your train? Your train? Good job. What's your next letter?
S.
S. S is for seal.
Seal.
Seal, that's right. S is for seal. Good job, Blake. What's your next letter? What's the next letter?
T.
T. T.
Tiger.
Tiger, roar. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. Can you put that on the train? Good job, Blake. What's your next letter?
U.
U. U.
Umbrella.
Umbrella. U is for umbrella. Good job, Blake. What's your next letter?
V.
V. V. I don't know if you've seen that one. That's a vulture.
Vulture.
V is for vulture. A vulture is a bird. You get it? You need Daddy to help you? There you go. Good job, Blake. What's next?
W.
Yeah, you saw that one in the box. W is for...
Walrus.
Yeah, W is for walrus. Look how big the walrus's teeth are, Blake. Do you see how big his teeth are?
A full teeth, long full.
Yeah, large teeth. You want to start another row right here? You want to start another row right here, Blake? Let's put the walrus right there. And what comes next? And you want to put it on the other one? Okay. You want to start a new row? Why don't you start a new row? What comes next?
X.
X. X.
X-ray.
X-ray. X is for X-ray. And that's where you can see your bones. They take a picture of your body and can see your bones. You put the X beside the W on the train. Are you being silly? Are you being silly? Can you put the X out there? There you go. Good job, Blake. You're doing so good with your puzzle. What's next?
Y.
Yeah, you see it in the box, don't you?
Y.
Okay, you can take it. Y. Y. What is that? You know that one.
Y.
Yak. Y is for yak. Good job, Blake. You are doing so good with your puzzle. And what's last?
Z. Zebra.
Z, zebra. Z is for zebra.
It's.
Good job, Blake. Now we have the whole alphabet, Blake. Can you sing the alphabet? Can you sing the alphabet song? You start with A, B, C.
D, E, F, G, H, I, K, I, C, K, L, M, P, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, V, W, X, Y. Oh,
Now I know.
Now I know my ABC. Little you see me.
Good job, Blake. Whoa, Blake, look at our huge alphabet train. Can you believe you did all of the alphabet? That was such a good job. Can you help me review the alphabet train? A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for
Cat.
D is for
Dog.
That's right.
E, elephant.
Right. E is for elephant.
F.
F is for
Flamingo.
yeah. F is for flamingo. G is for
Gorilla.
gorilla. H is for
Horse.
horse. I is for
Igloo.
igloo, and it has a polar bear on top.
Shape.
J is for
Shape.
juggler. He's juggling those balls. K is for
Kangaroo.
kangaroo. L is for
Lion.
lion. Roar. M is for
Monkey.
Monkey. N is for
Man.
nest. O is for
Ostrich.
ostrich. P is for
Panda.
panda. Good. Q is for queen. R is for rhinoceros. S is for seal. T is for tiger. Roar. U is for umbrella. V is for vulture. W is for walrus. X is for X-ray. Y is for
Yeah.
yak. Z is for
Zebra.
zebra. Good job, Blake. We had so much fun today learning our ABCs with this alphabet train puzzle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. And please make sure to subscribe to Kid Friendly TV for a new toy video every single day. We'll see you guys soon. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say ABC.
ABCs.
Guys, it's Whitney
And Pete from Kid Friendly TV. And today, can you believe it? We have Paw Patrol Zoomer Marshall. I am so excited. I have been looking forward to this all year since we first found out about it from the toy fair. And now here it is.
We have been so excited about this.